Air suctioned from the room and process machines is filled with dust and fibre. Seamless, laser-welded round ducts avoid places for fibres to tag and build up in the duct. Dusty air is captured on the rotary pre-filter screen from the vertical inlet. To minimise energy use, the screen disc only rotates when the pressure drop rises to a predefined set point. The fine dust passes through the screen, while the fibres on the screen are vacuumed out to the fibre waste system. Next, it enters into the Luwa multi-cell V filter, MCV, which has an array of static V-cell filters. The robotic arm with suction nozzle cleans every V-cell. The arm only moves when the pressure drop rises to the predefined set point to save energy. Dust collects on the filter media over the V-cells and is vacuumed off and sent to the dust waste system. Then clean air exits the opposite end. The MCV is an alternative to the traditional, large space-consuming rotary drum filter, using around 70% less space than the drum filter. Finally, the air enters into the static pocket filters to capture remaining fine dust. The main airflow is now clean enough to be conveyed to the air conditioning system. The air washer either takes the clean room return air or the fresh air based on the system requirement. The air passes through the Luwa TexFog system, where it absorbs moisture directly from specialised fogging nozzles, without the need of a water tank due to the hygiene applications. Supersaturated air passes through the mist eliminators to further avoid water droplets, if any. The conditioned air is then conveyed to the production hall through the high-efficiency carbon fibre-bladed axial flow fan. Luwa calls this system the TAC, Total Air Control, meaning it handles both the filtration and air conditioning.